Hi friends, welcome back to my math channel, Math Bridges, Fun with Math. In this video, we are going to see how to solve a 3 by 3 magic square using very simple technique. So let's start. This is the 3 by 3 magic square where we are having 3 rows and 3 columns. So total it is 9 boxes. Here we have to get the sum to be as 15. So what are the numbers we have to write it? So when you add the first row, it should be 15, second row 15, third row when you add, it should be 15, and vertically also it should be 15, and diagonally also when we add, it has to be 15. So now we have to arrange the numbers in such a manner where we get the sum to be as 15. Let's see what are the numbers. Now the given information is the sum is 15, means the total of all the digits it should be 15. But we have to find what are the numbers we have to put into these boxes. So how to do that? 15, as it's a 3 by 3 magic square, so we will divide it by 3. 15 divided by 3 it is 5. So one of the number is 5. Total 9 boxes, so we have to get 9 numbers. What we'll do after 5, 4 digits, and before 5 also 4 digits we have to get it. So what are the numbers? Let's see. 6, 7, 8, 9. So before 5 it will be 4, 3, 2 and 1. So these are the consecutive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are known as consecutive numbers. Means the numbers which will write one after the another. So all these numbers now we have to arrange in these boxes so that the sum is 15. Now let's see how to do the trick. First you have to draw the 3 by 3 box, magic square box. The middle box you can consider on the topmost, the middle one. Towards your right hand side the middle box. And the down row, here the middle box. And towards your left side also the middle box. So here on the top, we will start from the top. Draw one extra box over here outside. Towards your right hand side also draw one extra box. Towards your left hand side one extra box, and down also this one extra box you draw it. Now we have the numbers from 1 to 9. So how we have to arrange here? From your left hand side corner, start from here. 1, 2, 3 means you have to go diagonally up. Next number 4, 5, 6. Next after 6 it is 7, 8, 9. Now if you observe the numbers 3, 7, 1 and 9. These numbers are outside the boxes. So now how we'll be arranging? Let's see. The outside numbers, let's start with 3 and 7. They both are opposite to each other. Now we will interchange the digits. Here wherever the empty place is there inside the square, magic square box, we will write 7 over here on the top. On the top one 3, we will write it down here in the empty box. So how it is? So 3 will come here in the opposite down and 7 will be writing above here. Now in the same manner, you can consider 1 and 9. Same interchange. 9 opposite. The right hand side will go to the left hand side and left hand side will come to the right hand side in the empty box. So 1 we have to write it in this empty box, and this 9 it will go in the opposite direction, left side. That's it. This is our magic square now. See, our magic square is studied in fraction of seconds. Let's check it. You can add the first row. 2 plus 7 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 5 plus 1 is 15. 4 plus 3 plus 8 is 15. Now we will check vertically. 6 plus 1 plus 8 is 15. 7 plus 5 plus 3 is 15. 2 plus 9 plus 4 is 15. And diagonally also we will check. You can check it like this also. 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 15. And 4 plus 5 plus 6 is 15. So our magic square is correct. If you can observe, see, when we have divided the total 15 with 3, 5, we are getting it in the center. In the middle of the square box, we got that 5. See the same numbers 1 to 9 to get the sum as 15 like this. There are many ways in which we can represent. We got this second one as the answer 2, 7, 6, 9, 5, 1, 4, 3, 8. There are many methods. This is one of the easiest method which I have shown you how to solve the magic square. If you want, you can take these numbers and you can add and check all these numbers also diagonally, row wise and column wise also it will be 15. This is the beauty of the magic square. Now let's check with one more example. The same magic square 3 by 3. Here we have to get the sum to be as 36. That is row wise, first row, second row, third row. If you add all the numbers, it should be 36. And vertically also, column wise, if you are adding, the sum should be 36. Diagonally on both the sides, it should be 36. So let's start how to solve it in the same model. Now 36 is the sum what we are having, as it's a 3 by 3 square, so we have to divide 36 by 3. It will be 12. The quotient is 12. So now the middle number, it will be 12. As there are 9 boxes, we got one number to be as a 12. So we have to find the remaining 4 this side and remaining 4 this side. So 4, 4, 8 plus 1, 9 numbers. So after 12, what are the numbers? You can have a guess. 13, 14, 15, 16. And before 12, it will be 11, 10, 9 and 8. So 8 to 16 are the consecutive numbers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So by using these numbers, we have to get the sum to be as 36. And we have to arrange these numbers in this 3 by 3 grid. Now let's go on with the trick. Same as it is 3 by 3 grid you have to draw. Now on the top of the middle box, you have to draw one extra box outside it. Towards your left hand side also, here in the center box here, towards the row, you have to draw one extra box. Now towards your right hand side, extra box outside and down also one extra box. Now the numbers are starting from 8. Now let's arrange the numbers in this grid. 8, 9, 10. So diagonally we have to arrange. Just opposite to 8 here down, you have to write diagonally, you have to write the next number 11, 12, 13. Next number 14 over here, 15 and 16. If you observe here, 10, 14, 8 and 16 are the outside numbers, means they are placed outside the grid. Now let's interchange these numbers. For example, if you are considering 10 and 14, they are facing opposite to each other. The top number will come to bottom and the bottom number will go to the top. So we'll be writing 10 over here and 14 will go to the empty box over here. And the next one, if you observe 8 and 16. Now the left hand side will go to the right hand side and the right hand side number will be writing over here in the left hand side empty box. Now 8 is being placed in the opposite box and 16 will be in the opposite box. Now you can see our box is ready. Magic square is ready. 9, 14, 13, 16, 12, 8, 11, 10 and 15. You can erase the extra boxes. Always try to draw the extra boxes with a pencil so that you can erase it. Even in the competitive exams, if you are getting this kind of question, you can write it with the pencil, the outside boxes. Now let's check the sum. First row it is 36 when you add all the numbers. Second row 16 plus 12 plus 8 is 36. 11 plus 10 plus 15 is 36. And the column is also 13 plus 8 plus 15 is 36. The middle column also 36 and the first column is also 36. And diagonally also if you check it is 36. And this side 11 plus 12 plus 13 is also 36. So the arrangement of numbers is absolutely correct. Yeah, here's a magic square challenge for you all. You can try it on your own. The sum should be 21 in the first one. The second square it should be 45 and the last magic square you have to get the sum to be as 34. You can follow the same method and you can find out the numbers, what numbers will fit into the magic square and you can solve it. I'll give you one hint. When you divide by 3 the sum, that number you write it first. And before 4 numbers and after 4 numbers you get it. So it's very easy for you to solve at that time. And The quotient, whatever you are getting, that will be the center number always. For example, 21 you are dividing by 3, it's 7. So the center number will be 7. So all the best to you all. You can solve it. I have given the answer slide also. I want you all to solve it. Then only you can check your answers. Before that, please do not check the answers. Good luck to you all. Hope you all liked the video. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, Math Bridges, Fun with Math. Thank you all.